Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. I could still remember when I was a kid, my mother used to teach me and even remind me to consume all the food on my plate. And she would often tell me, ang kada mumho nga dili nimo mahurot, usa ka tuig didto sa imperno. Be that as it may, nahadlok ko. And even until today, whenever I eat, hotdon yun ako ang naa sa plato. Di man siguro usa ka tuig dito sa impyerno kada lugas. But my mother taught me not to be wasteful with food. My dear brothers and sisters, our readings today, there is a commonality, and the word is teach. In our first reading from the book of Deuteronomy, Moses taught the people. And more so in our gospel reading today, taken from the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus is reminding us to teach, especially the little children. What have we taught? If we try to paraphrase the question, we parents, unsa may atong kabilin sa atong mga anak? Dili siguro kwarta, but I hope virtues ang atong nabilin. And so I would like to propose 3 things that we teach other people, especially in this context of the season of Lent. Number 1, teach forgiveness by saying, I'm sorry. Whenever we say sorry, it means that we value relationship than our pride. When we say, I'm sorry, that will teach other people the value of forgiveness. When was the last time we say, I'm sorry? Looking at our limitations, looking at our faults. Because most often, we want other people to say, I'm sorry, not me. Kita'y magpaabot. Bahala magtingog, siya gimuduol nako. Teach forgiveness. Number 2, teach gratefulness by saying thank you. Learn to say thank you. Kamu mga ba nag-asawa, karong gabi, inaydayon katog, tell each other, thank you for loving me for 20 years. Thank you for not giving up on me. For the children who are here, tell your parents, thank you ma, kay imo kong gipakaog paniud to. Thank you pa, kay imo kong gipa-eskwela. Learn to say thank you. And thirdly, teach compassion by saying, may I help you. It's still lunchtime. We still have long day to go. Maybe you go back to your office, you go back home. If you see somebody who needs help, learn to say, may I help you? Kay usahay iya raman ta. Ako ni trabaho, imo pud na, basta mahuman lang ko. Learn to say, may I help you? And it is an expression of being compassionate to each other.